Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unarchive Instagram post. Why would you want to know how to unarchive Instagram post? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to unarchive Instagram post. So today I am going to show you how to unarchive Instagram post. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unarchive Instagram post is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unarchive Instagram post. First of all, open Instagram app in your device, and now here is my Instagram home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen click on three lines in the right top corner, and then in this menu click on archive and click on three dots and click on show on profile, and now again tap on it, and now your post has been unarchived. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unarchive Instagram post, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.